everyone, welcome to Maharashtra 360, your weekly roundup of the stories shaping India's largest economy. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced a series of policy reforms aimed at empowering MSMEs, strengthening industries and advancing social welfare initiatives across the state. The goal? Balancing economic growth with social development. MSMEs will no longer need non-agricultural land use permission to set up units, saving them crucial time. Industrial townships will come up near major estates to provide workers with housing and urban facilities. A new palliative care policy will ease the pain of advanced stage cancer patients, while workers will benefit from skill training and scholarships. To counter losses because of America's 50% tariff, the state will explore new export markets. And to meet rising domestic demand, teakwood plantations will be expanded. Thane has ushered in a new era of transit. The trial runs for Metro Lines 4 and 4A were held, starting with the Gaimukh-Vijay Garden stretch. This project promises faster commutes, reduces traffic and massive daily ridership when fully operational. The Thane Metro Line 4 and 4A project spans 35 kilometers and is being developed at an estimated cost of 16,000 crore rupees. In its first phase, the metro will open with 4 stations between Gaimukh and Vijay Garden. Once operational, the system is expected to carry around 13 lakh passengers daily, eventually scaling up to 21 lakh per day, while reducing travel time on key stretches by 50 to 75%. At a bamboo conference in Mumbai, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that the state will soon unveil a bamboo industry policy aimed at building a strong market, encouraging farmers and driving large-scale plantations on government fallow land.
इस इकोसिस्टम को अगर धीरे-धीरे हम डेवलप करेंगे, तो मैं आपको आश्वस्त करता हूं कि हमारे सरकार के प्रोक्योरमेंट में हम लोग बाम्बू से बनी हुई चीजों को एक प्रकार से वरीयता देना, उसको प्रेफरेंस देना, ये भी हम लोग करने के लिए तैयार हैं, ताकि हम बाम्बू का ज्यादा से ज्यादा उपयोग, बाम्बू का ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्केट तैयार कर पाए.
With the bamboo industry policy set to be rolled out, the goal is to turn bamboo into Maharashtra's green gold. Plans include large-scale plantations on government fallow land, inclusion in procurement and Manrega-like schemes, and research on high-yield bamboo mixed with fodder crops. The State Employment Minister added that 21 lakh hectares will be brought under cultivation, with subsidies up to 7 lakh rupees per hectare. Deputy Chief Minister and Pune Guardian Minister Ajit Pawar chaired a key meeting in Pune, steering progress on city's metro corridors. The meeting was held with Maharashtra metro officials and local administrators, assessing timelines, budgets and safety measures for upcoming lines. Ajit Pawar's review was on the Nigadi-Chakan and Nigadi-Katraj lines. Critical construction updates, operational planning and safety protocols for Pune's metro corridors was assessed. With these upgrades, daily commuters across Pimpri-Chinchwad will enjoy faster, safer travel while the city moves closer to a modern, connected transit network. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is driving a major push for development in Navi Mumbai's newly incorporated villages. From essential services to healthcare access, the administration has been tasked with ensuring speedy delivery, setting the stage for faster growth and better living standards. All 14 villages added to the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation will see immediate attention to basic amenities. Water supply systems and road networks will be improved, schools reinforced and healthcare strengthened through temporary portable cabin clinics. Work on sewage and footpaths round up the key priority areas. The development works will be carried out on the back of a 19.7 crore rupees budget allocated for 2025-26. And those were all the news updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.